Hey food lovers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing an easy and tasty recipe of an Indian snack, Hara kebab. These kebabs are made from fresh spinach, and here I'm going to be using some homegrown spinach from our aquaponics unit.
What is aquaponics, you ask? Here is a glimpse of the system installed on my terrace. During the COVID lockdown, my father set up an aquaponics unit on our terrace. Aquaponics is a form of soilless farming mainly used for growing fruits and leafy vegetables. In this method, fish and plants are raised in a shared system, each species contributing to the thriving of the other. And interestingly, this process does not require any use of chemical fertilizers. So, our first spinach harvest is here, and let's get into the easy, delicious recipe of Hare Bhare Kebabs. Take 200 grams of fresh and thoroughly washed spinach leaves. Drain them and transfer them into a pressure cooker box. Next, add 1 teaspoon sugar. Cook the spinach leaves in a pressure cooker for 10 to 15 minutes on low flame. Make sure that you don't add any extra water to the spinach while cooking. Next, make a paste of the cooked spinach, 7 to 8 green chilies, half cup coriander leaves, 2 inches ginger and half teaspoon jeera or cumin seeds. Transfer the spinach paste along with 1.5 cup breadcrumbs and 3 boiled mashed potatoes. Next, add some salt as per taste and mix everything well. Once everything is mixed together, shape the kebabs either as shown in the video or in shape of a patty. Once the oil is hot enough, fry the kebabs until golden brown in color. Serve the Hare Bhare Kebabs hot with some mint chutney or ketchup and leave a like if you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.